Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be sharing with you some Jamaican Patwa greetings you should know before going to Jamaica. You know what, I'm gonna actually make a playlist of all the Jamaican Patwa videos that I have, because I have more than 5, almost 10. So guys, go check those out. Simple basic Jamaican Patwas. Also, I'm gonna have all those videos in the cards or the end screen or in the description box for sure, so you guys can go check those out and play catch up, learn some Jamaican Patwas. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So the first one is good morning. Good morning. Morning. And good morning means good morning, good morning, good evening, good evening. It's so funny because growing up as a kid, if you're saying good evening, we, instead of using that N that's in the middle of evening, we replace that N with the L. Good evening, 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 and it's supposed to be nin. Good morning, good morning. Good evening, good evening. Next, you have wagwan, watagwan, where you depan, watagodong. They all mean the same thing. They all mean what's going on, what's up, what's happening. They all mean the same thing, and it all boils down to personal preferences. So next we have where you're up to, where you deal with, and they mean what are you up to. And this is another way of asking someone how are they doing, but in this case you also want to know if they have anything planned. So you say where you're up to, where you deal with, what are you up to. So next we have how they do, how you do, and how do do. And they mean how are you doing or how do you do. But this form of greeting is more popular with the older generation, like my grandparents and their peers, like back then. Because my generation or younger, we don't use howdy do. But if you go to Jamaica, you'll hear an elder, like somebody like your grandparents' age, will say howdy do. Next we have you're good, and that means are you good, are you alright, are you okay. And another way of asking you're good is everything Chris, and everything Chris also means is everything okay. Okay, so next we have greetings brethren, greetings sisterin, greetings empress. And this is how Rasta greets people in Jamaica. Brethren means brother, sisterin means sister, empress, it can also mean sister but queen, like, you know, someone royal or a female basically. So you can say greetings brethren, which means greetings brother, greetings sisterin, greetings sister, greetings empress, greetings queen, greetings beautiful lady. Another one is one love, heal up, blessings. And this is another short and effective way of saying hello, and is quite used often by Rastas as well, but anyone can use them. Another one is this one. I find it annoying because I'm a female. I know a lot of females in Jamaica find it annoying as well. Psst. Men make this sound with their mouth to get the attention of females when they're walking by. So if you're walking in Jamaica and all you hear, you're passing a group of guys, it doesn't even have to be a group of guys, but you're just walking past a guy in Jamaica. If you're passing and you hear psst, you already know what that means as a female. Just trying to talk to you, trying to get your number. Yeah. So once you hear that sound when you're in Jamaica, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. Yo. Yo. Yo means hey. So you can say yo. Yo, wagwan. Yo, wagwan. Hey, what's up? Get it? So yo means hey. Medea. Medea means I'm here. So if someone say yo wagwan, you would respond and say Medea. So Medea means I'm here. I'm just here. I'm here. What's up? Medea wagwan. Or another way you can say me a gwan easy. Just a gwan bill. That also means just taking it easy, just chilling, kicking it back, relaxing. That's another way of responding to wagwan. Other ways are mo good, ma nice, ma Chris. And those also means I'm doing okay, I'm good, I'm great, I'm fine. Let's go back to everything Chris. Remember earlier I said another way of saying you're good is everything Chris? And then your response can also be my Chris, my good. Get it? Hopefully you're understanding all of this. Any questions? Leave them down in the comment section. I'll definitely respond back to your comments. Another way you can respond back is menadi with nothing. Nothing na gwan. This response is more for if you're having like a bad day or you're stressed but you don't want to just throw your problems out on that person. You just say nothing na gwan. Menadi with nothing. It's mainly used when you're not doing too well at that moment. You just want to cut the conversation short and you're just like nothing na gwan, menadi with nothing. Another way you can respond is everything sort out, and that means all is well. Or another way to respond is everything Irie, and that is a Rastafarian way of saying everything is good, all is well, everything is going well. Another way you can respond back is my thing shell, everything good. But this is more in the dancehall space where you can say my thing shell. It's like for the younger generation, my thing shell, my thing up, everything good, everything all right. My thing is on another level. Alright, so all these that I'm about to list are greetings when you're telling someone goodbye, you're ending a conversation. So the first one is little more, and that means see you later, goodbye, see you soon. When you're telling someone bye, you can say little more. Next is magan. A lot of Jamaicans don't like to use megan because we think of it as when you pass away, like that saying gone but not forgotten. A lot of us don't say magan, even though that's a way of saying bye. It means I'm leaving, I'm gone. Megan means I'm gone. But a lot of us don't like to use the word gone because it just sounds like you're dead. So a lot of people would say, don't say you're gone, just say you're turning your back, or you know, see you soon or later or something. But that's another way of saying goodbye. Magan, I'm gone. Next is later. Later means later. Later, see you later. The next one is inna the morrows, and inna the morrows means see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So guys, that's it for these Jamaican greetings. I hope you guys understand all of them and understand the pronunciation and the expression that comes with it. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section. I will answer. And if any of my Jamaicans watching and remember any that are left out, you can also comment down in the comment section as well. You know, we can all learn from each other. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.